Currently, I have my 3 cup holders back, 2 in the center and 1 on the left. So the reason why I want cup holder on the subwoofer cover here is because I have 2 DIY swivel, and when it turns, the center console gonna hit. So I took out the center console and replaced with a wooden board. So I have 0 cup holders, and I already have one. I already made one here, as you can see. Right, use a bracket to hold it against top and bottom, and a cup holder here. So it is very handy. Best cup holder I ever have, but I still want one more. I want my 3 cup holders back. So I was thinking maybe I can fix 2 of these cup holders here and here, so I have 3. So first step, take this cover piece off. As a push pin here, you push in, this thing can pop out, and after it pop out, you take it out, and also the other side has one too. Now once the 2 pins are out, you can use both hands to pull on the edge all the way here. Yeah, put here, and this thing will be out. Okay, next step, prepare the subwoofer cover. I have a paper tape here, and I use a straight ruler to find the center, because you know, as a hexagon shape here, so you can easily find the center of this and mark here. Let's see. So I mark center here, and since this is a Japanese car, a lot of things are in metric, so I'm using the metric unit here. So from center, I go left and right of 5 here, and from 5 I go further 1 centimeter out. So I mark here and here. That's because I mark 1 centimeter out, because this is the cup holder I'm gonna using, and the holes between these 2 bolts are 1 centimeter. All right. And also from this edge go up 1.5 centimeters. So I have 4 points here, 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 and here. I'm gonna drill M4 holes to let the bolt come through. I know it work because I already tested on this one. This is the one, different color. This is the one I pulled out from junkyard. You can see it's pretty good, and behind it will be look like this. 4 bolts. I got 4 M4 holes ready. Now I can take this out. Another trick here is when you do the drilling, you do not go straight to the cover. You go like an angle like this. The reason why you need to drill the holes with the angle is because when the subwoofer cover being installed, it's not installed straight up like this, it's installed in this way. So you need angle to compensate that. It's about 10 degrees. Also, you can see a rubber piece here as a spacer to support this angle. The original bolt for the cup holder is M4 times 5, but to compensate the thickness of the cover and plus the 10-degree angle, we'll need M4 times 10. This is the M4 times 10 bolt. So we put a bracket on, and there's a thread inside these holes. So what we need to do is to line it up and take 2 or 3 turns so it won't fall off, and then we put a spacer here. After that, we tighten the bolts. Okay, like that. See that? You got very big play here, and it's not falling off, so we can put our rubber spacer in. The spacer is on, then we can tighten the screw, the bolt, I mean. Okay. Like that, you can see that. Alright, let me tighten it. So it will look like this, as a spacer here, and the bolts are tightened, and it will be pretty stable. Alright, both of them are installed. Now let's put it back in. So when you put it back in, remember there's a tiny bit of a notch here. Make sure this notch is covered by the top trim piece. This is great. Finally, I have my 3 cup holders back. 1 and 2 and 3. Note that for the bigger cup like a Yeti or this one, you need to take out the insert. This is the residue from the insert. Otherwise, this bottom won't touch the base plate. Also, I did a test. This kind of a big cup fit here, and it go to D, no problem. Go to 2, no problem. But it seems it cannot go to 1, so better keep this one on the left side. Okay, bonus clip. For 2 other ways I already tried and it doesn't work. We can see we have two screws here, so I was thinking use these 2 screws as a fixed point. And my first prototype is similar to this one. Alright, it hangs here, and this part go further around and go here, and then fixed by this screw. But the problem is here is too tight, so you're gonna have to trim off about, I don't know, 1/16 inch for this piece of metal to passing through. Another way is also utilize these 2 screws. Have a flat aluminum bar from all the way go around from here and go out from here to support the cup holder. It doesn't work either because from here to here is too long, so it's very flimsy, and I already tried. The cup holder is not steady at all. Yeah, okay, that's it for this video. Hope you like it.